So if you are new to my channel, I am Cherry. So for today's video, we will make Filipino style Spanish bread. So let's start. So for the dough, we need 3 cups of bread flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, another 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast, 3 egg yolks, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2/3 cup of warm milk, 2/3 cup of warm water. So first, we will mix the 2 tablespoons of active dry yeast and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. So we will mix this one for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy and then it's ready. Warm milk. And then I will mix the melted butter, 4 tablespoons here. I'm gonna transfer it here. Egg yolks. And the 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Then we will add the 1 teaspoon salt. So now, as you can see, our yeast becomes foamy. So that means this is ready. So we will just put it here. Then in our 3 cups bread flour, we will gradually put this here. So using 1/2 cup of bread flour, we will just drizzle it. And then we will transfer our dough. So using a plastic food wrap, we will wrap away it don't dry. So we will let this rise for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. So as you can see, our dough rise up and it becomes double the size. So that means it's ready. This is after 1 hour and 30 minutes. So using a butter paper, we will place them in the baking sheet. So this filling, I made this yesterday. So what I put here is 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So you just mix them all together. So this is how it looked like. So we will just get this one. And then we will roll. So we'll put about a tablespoon of the filling here. And then we will roll it. And then we will put it and roll in the breadcrumbs again. And then line up here in the baking pan. So guys, this is our Spanish bread. So I think the oven is ready. So we will bake this one for about 11 to 15 minutes in a preheated oven, 350 Fahrenheit. So let's go. It's ready now, so we'll get it. So that's it, guys. Our Spanish bread. Really good.